E-skwela Online Paaralan para sa mga bulilit ng tahanan.
Oh, hello everybody! Did you hear the music that I played? Are you familiar with the song? Yes, you are right! It's the alphabet song. Would you like to learn the letters and the sounds? Great! But before that, I would like to welcome you to E-skwela Online Paaralan para sa mga bulilit ng tahanan. Brought to you by Exemplars Academy. I'm so happy to see you today. My name is Teacher Anne. Hello to the bulilits and not so bulilits out there! Today, we will learn about the letter sounds. Are you ready? If you are ready, give me a thumbs up. Come on, show me your thumbs up. Good job. Okay, if you are ready, let's get started. Do you know that there are 26 letters in the alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. Can you name them? Let's say the name of the letters. Okay, ready? Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Good job, everyone! Those are the letters of the alphabet. Today, we will learn the first letter of the alphabet. Okay, turn on your listening ears because we will talk about the letter A and its sound. Okay, kids, what letter do you see here? Yes, this is the letter A. We call it the uppercase letter A. Sometimes we call it Mommy A or Big A. How about this letter? Yes, this is the lowercase letter A. And sometimes we call it the small a or baby A. Okay, kids, let's put them together, the mommy and the baby A. Okay, what's the name of this letter again? Correct. This is the letter A. Do you know the sound of this letter? Do you know the sound? Okay, this letter says A, A, A. Can you say the sound of the letter again? Say A, A, A. Open your mouth and say A, A, A. Repeat after me. A, A, A. Now it's your turn. Letter A says A, A, A. Let's learn more about the letter A so that you can remember the sound. I will show you pictures that start with the letter A. Are you ready? Give me a thumbs up. Come on, show me your thumbs up. Great! Okay, kids, I will show you the first picture. What is this? Yes, it's an apple. This is an apple. It's a fruit with green or red color. It's very nutritious. Have you eaten this kind of fruit? Oh, good. Can you say apple? Very good. Let's pretend that we are eating an apple. And say apple. Good job. Okay, what's the next picture? What is this? It's an ant. Yes, it's an ant. It is a small insect with black or red color. An ant might bite you. Even if it's small, when it bites you, it will be itchy. Your skin will be itchy. Can you say, ant? Pretend that the ant is crawling on your hand. There, can you say, ant? Good job. Okay, what's the next picture? Can you see? What is this? Yes, you are right. This is an alligator. This animal is big, lizard-like animal with long, round snouts and powerful tails. It's dangerous because of its sharp teeth. Can you say alligator? Okay, and the next picture is, what's this? Do you know what this is? It's an atis. An atis is a sweet fruit and it has plenty of seeds inside. Can you say atis? Again, can you say atis? And you pretend that you're eating an atis. It's sweet. And say atis. Good job. Okay, what's the next picture? Look here. This is an avocado. Very good. Can you say avocado? It's a fruit that is usually green that is shaped like pear or an egg. Can you say avocado? And can you make an avocado shape? Say avocado. So what's the next picture here? Do you see it? Yes, this is an ambulance. Can you say it again? Ambulance. It's a vehicle used to transport people who are sick or injured. What sound does an ambulance make or an ambulance make? Do you hear that sound? Can you copy that sound? Very good. And can you say ambulance? Say it again. Ambulance. Good job. Okay, what is this? Yes, it's an axe. An axe is a thing with a sharp edge fixed to a handle and it's used for cutting or chopping wood. Can you say axe? And can you pretend that you are chopping a wood with an axe? Let's do it. Axe. Say it again. Axe. Good job. Okay, now let's look at this next picture. What is this? Yes, this is an arm. It's part of our body. Can you show me your arm? Can you move your arms? Okay, can you wave your arms? Come on. Okay, these are my arms. And can you say arm? Can you move your arm and say arm? Good job. Okay, what's the next picture here? This is an anchor. Very good. It's a heavy thing with a long chain and it's used to hold the ship in place. Can you say anchor? Say it again. Anchor. Good job. And what's the last picture that we have here? Yes, this is an arrow. A mark to show direction. Can you say arrow? And point to this direction. Yes, and say arrow. Good job. Okay, kids, we are finished naming the pictures that begin with a sound. Let's review them, okay? Let's name them one by one. What is this? apple. Next, ant. Next, alligator. Atis. Avocado. Yum. Ambulance. Axe. Arm. Anchor. And arrow. Okay, we will sing the names of these letters or words that begin with a sound. Okay, I'll teach you the song. Get ready. Can you sing? Apple, apple, ant, alligator, alligator, atis, avocado, avocado, ambulance, ambulance, axe, axe, arm, arm, anchor, anchor, arrow, arrow, Very good. And now I'll be teaching you another song. It's Annie Apple. Okay, here it goes. Annie Apple, she says she says she says Annie Apple, she says she belongs to Mr. A. Okay, can you sing the song with me? Ready? Okay, go. Annie Apple, she says she says she says Annie Apple, she says she belongs to Mr. A. You have to open your mouth when you say the sound. Can you do it? Say ah. That is the sound of the letter A. Okay, let's learn more about the letter A sound. You are going to listen to a short story that will help you remember the sound. Are you ready? If you are, can you move your arms? Come on, wave your arms. Okay, let's sing the song. Story time is here again, here again, here again. Story time is here again. I'm ready to listen. If you are ready to listen, turn on your listening ears. The title of our story is The Ant and the Apple by Andrew Frinkle. Art had an apple. The apple was all he had. An ant asked Art for a bite. Can I have a bite? The ant asked. Art gave the ant a bite. Art and the ant ate the apple. Yum, yum, yum. After they ate the apple, the ant went away. The end. Did you really listen to the story? I have 4 easy questions to ask. If you really listen to the story, you can answer them correctly. Number 1, what did Art have? What did he have? Yes, it's the apple. Number 2, who asked Art for a bite? It was the ant. Correct. Number 3, did Art give the ant a bite? Yes, he shared his apple. And number 4, what did the ant do after he ate the apple? The ant went away. Good job! Okay, from the story that we read, we will name the words that begin with a sound. Do you still remember the 3 words that begin with a sound? Let's name them. The first one is art. Yes, can you say art? Good job. The second one is, you still remember? It is the small thing, the small insect. Yes, correct. It's ant. What is the first sound of the word ant? It is a. And the last word is apple. Very good. Okay, I will give you 3 stars for a job well done. Okay, for you, 1, 2, and 3. Good job, kids. Alright, you have learned the letter A sound. Now we will study how to trace and write the letter A, the uppercase and the lowercase. Or we call it the big A or mommy A, and the small and baby A. Are you ready? Okay, I'll teach you. I'll teach you how to write. So first, you have to trace the slanting line. Start from the top. Slanting line going down. And then start from the top again. Slanting line going down. And don't forget the sleeping line here. Very good. Let's do it again. Slanting line. Slanting line. And sleeping line. That's the big A or uppercase A. What about the small a or lowercase a? How do we trace or write it? Let's do it. So curved line first and then standing line. Let's do it again. Curved line and standing line. Very good. Okay, kids, I would like to know if you remember the sound of the letter A. It's activity time. I will show you pictures on the screen and you have to identify which of them have a sound. Are you ready? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, encircle the pictures that have a sound. Did you circle them? Are you finished? What are the pictures that have a sound? Okay, let's check them. What are the pictures again? Very good. Apple. What else? Ant. Alligator. Ambulance. And arrow. Good job! Those are the pictures that have a sound. I had so much fun teaching you today the letter A sound. How about you? Okay, kids, when we meet again, I will be teaching you another letter sound. So, do not miss the fun learning the letters and their sounds. Because everywhere we look, we see colors, numbers, ABCs. Everywhere we look, we see God loves you and God loves me.
E-skwela Online Paaralan para sa mga bulilit ng tahanan.